The directional change course is a course that is designed to enhance your ability to change the direction of travel in confined spaces. The objective of this lesson is to enhance your skills in synchronizing low-speed control, steering wheel control, and good judgment of car turning radius while reversing. This video will demonstrate how to pass through the directional change course with the aid of the various sighting points by applying low-speed control while reversing. As you approach the course, consult rear view mirror. Signal intention, reduce speed, and change gears if necessary. When turning left into the course, position the car parallel to and about 1 meter away from the left curb, or by sighting a quarter from the front left of the bonnet meets with the left curb. Drive forward slowly. When the left front door lock is in line with the left curb, check the left blind spot and full lock steering wheel to the left and turn into the course. When turning right into the course, position car parallel to and about 0.5 meter away from the center line. Drive forward slowly till the tip of the bonnet is in line with the right curb. Ensure there is no oncoming traffic and check the right blind spot before turning into the course according to the curvature of the turn. When the car is inside the course and almost parallel to the left curb, return the steering wheel to straighten the front wheels. Drive forward slowly to the front curb. Stop the car near to the front curb. Check your surroundings and the rear to ensure that it is safe to reverse. Signal intention to the right and reverse the car slowly towards the lot. As you reverse, constantly check to ensure safety. When you look over your right shoulder and see that the center of the rear right door meets with the front right tip of the lot, full lock steering wheel to the right to enable the car to reverse into the lot. As the car will swing slightly to the left, check your surroundings, in particular the left, to ensure safety. When the car is almost parallel with the right curb, return the steering wheel to straighten the car. Continue to reverse the car to the rear curb. When the bottom of the right side view mirror covers the front curb, your car is in the lot. Stop the car. Check the front, left, and right to ensure that it is safe to move out of the lot. Signal left. Drive forward slowly to exit the lot. When the left door lock is in line with the left curb, full lock steering wheel to the left. When the car is in the lane, return the steering wheel to straighten the front wheels. Drive forward slowly to the exit of the course. Stop at the exit if necessary. Check the front, left, and right to ensure that it is safe to move out of the course. To turn left to exit the course, signal left and reconfirm safety to the right. When the left door lock has passed the left curb, check your left blind spot and full lock steering wheel to the left. Accelerate slightly to leave the course. To turn right to exit the course, signal right and reconfirm safety to the left. When the tip of the bonnet is in line with the right curb, check your right blind spot and turn according to the curvature of the turn. Accelerate slightly to leave the course. Form up in the correct lane and continue to drive normally. Now that you have completed the video, please answer the quiz questions that follow. There will be 5 multiple choice questions. After the questions and options are shown, you will be given 5 seconds to answer each question.